Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a Payoneer account. As you can see on my screen, this is my Payoneer account, and this is just one of the transactions in the month of August 2022 where I received money from Payoneer. And if you come to my Fiverr, you can see I made some monies through my freelance services on Fiverr. And then these are some of the payments, and all these, as you can see, were paid to me through Fiverr, as you can see from Payoneer. Okay, these are transfers that were transferred to my Payoneer account. Yeah, as you can see, here's Payoneer, transferred successfully to Payoneer, transferred to Payoneer, and all that. So someone may ask, what exactly is Payoneer? Payoneer is a financial services platform that are used for online payments or digital transactions. So I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Payoneer account. So first of all, go to payoneer.com and then you click on it. As it opens, you see open your account. So we have signed in. That is for those who already have accounts. So when you want to create an account, you click on open your account. So you'll be asked whether you are a freelancer or small business, SMB, online seller, affiliate marketer, vacation rental host, individual, whatever it is. If you don't fall under any of these categories, just come and choose individual. So you are being asked to choose the right type of Payoneer services that you need. So choose the right Payoneer account type for your business needs. Get paid and make payments globally. Add funds from my bank account. Convert currencies and all that. Then here it says send and receive money between family and friends. Order a prepaid card. So you come here. You can choose. You choose get paid, make payments globally. If that is really what you want to do, then you click on register. So this is the sign up process. You will now you have the option here to choose whether you see it says is your business registered with any government business licensing. You can choose yes if your business is registered. No, if you are not registered and you want to put in your personal details, then you come and put your first, last name, your email address, and your date of birth. Then you click next. After you enter all this information, just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be able to create the account. Then you'll be redirected to login. So after you are done creating the account, come and then you see when you type Payoneer login, it will bring you here and ask you to log in to your Payoneer account. So you now sign in. So I am signing in because I already have the account. So I'll click on sign in. So it has logged me in. My account has been inactive for some time. That is why you can see balance disabled, but it's active only that because I have not received funds for a long time because I used to do a lot of freelance work, which I have stopped, but I'll continue later. So now after you've done that, you can come to, if you want to request for payment, you come and see payment request. When you send payment request, it will show here monthly statement, transactions, and all that. If you have money and you want to withdraw, you just come here, you come and withdraw and transfer. So you would have been able to just withdraw the money into the bank account you want to withdraw to. Okay, but here for now, I don't have any money here, so I'm not doing any withdrawal. Now, when you come to your home, okay, when you come to your home, if there is any money sent to you, you see upcoming shown here, latest. If you have any upcoming payments, it will all show here. You can also add your bank account to your Payoneer account so that you can withdraw your money to your local bank account. So when you come under bank account here, I already have a bank account that is connected to my account. Then if you want to add a bank, you just click on add account, then you put your bank details and you'll be able to add it accordingly. If you follow this procedure, you'll be able to create a Payoneer account, an active account, of course, and can connect money. People can send you money from abroad or any part of the world, then you can receive it and withdraw it at your local bank account. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. Leave your comments in the comment section. If you have any problem that you may need help, then I'll reach out to help you. Once again, thank you and see you in the next video.